To come to the springs here, you just get to do so many different activities, diving, swimming. It's like a natural theme park out here. The springs actually stay 72 degrees year round. Your body automatically acclimates to the water temperature and you seem like you could stay down there all day.
Florida is one of the most magical places. No matter where you go, you can see things that you've never seen before.
Rock Springs has to be one of our favorite springs in Florida. There's so many different little canals you can go into. It's probably one of the clearest springs in Florida, I think, by far.
After a day at the springs, it's just perfect to go camping right after. Set up your tent, grill some food, and just be with your loved one.